Welcome to Impact AI Studio. We're going to do a calculated value. So on the screen, we have sale price, sales tax, and a commission. And we want to do that calculation into our sales total field. So I have this on my clipboard. I'm just going to paste it in. It's a two-step. All right? So what we want to ask the button to do is calculate using this formula, sales price plus sales price times the tax plus the commission. That's step one. Step 2, we're going to ask the button to enter that value on the sales total field. Okay, I'm going to hit the Enter key. It gave me a button here. I'm going to drag this button onto the screen. Now, with that button on the screen, I can just perform the calculations right now. And there it did, 3,731. Again, it's a two-step process. Do a calculation step 1. Step 2 is enter that value into whatever field you want. Your calculation can be more complex than this, and the Smart button will handle any calculation you throw at it. Okay, thank you for watching. Check out more videos